Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable secure boot in Asus BIOS. It's pretty simple. All you have to do, just click on Windows icon and hit right click on the power button and just click on restart. Now while your PC is restarting, you need to spam delete key or F2 key continuously until you are in your BIOS. Now once the BIOS is open, you need to click on this one, advanced mode. Then just go and open this tab boot. Right here we need to go to this one, CSM, to check if the launch CSM option is disabled or not. If it is enabled, just disable that and just get back from the screen. Then just open the option secure boot. Right here we need to change the OS type from other OS to Windows UEFI mode. Once you do that, just open the option key management. Then here we need to click on this one, install default secure boot keys, and just click on yes. Once you do that, just save these changes. For that, hit F10 and just click on OK. Now your PC will restart, and once it is done, you can go to search bar and type your system information to check if the secure boot is enabled or not. As you can see, the secure boot is now enabled, and that's exactly how you can enable secure boot in Asus BIOS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.